Hello guys, this is verbatim nano mini mouse. Just now my battery got over with this remote schooling. My daughter needs this, so we were trying to figure out how to open this battery and replace it. So we couldn't find any videos in the YouTube, so finally we figured it out ourselves with couple of trials. So what you just need to do is there is a space here, just push it out, then it should be coming up like this. That's it. It's very easy, simple and easy. And then pull the old battery out and put the new one. Make sure it's positive here outside, and then you can see the symbol positive. So just plug it in there, and when you put it back, just slide down this crap and press it hard. That's it. The battery is back on. Enjoy, guys.